Before we start, make it sure you drink water because we're going to cover our mouth. We use latex and sponge, and then we apply the latex all over in our mouth. By the way, the most common place to find this out of the Halloween season is at a costume shop or online like Amazon and eBay, especially for the liquid latex and staged blood. And be patient to the odor. Just continue to applying the latex in the mouth area. Let the latex dry until it is tacky. If you want to speed the drying process, it's definitely a good idea to get a little help from your hair dryer. And next, we will use a toilet paper. I will cut into the 2 pieces and applying it into my face. And then again, I will apply the latex in the tissue. We need to do it again, applying more tissue, more latex, to get more natural. By the way, there are so many amazing Supix makeup products available that can help you to create incredible effects. Like white glue or eyelash glue, both make excellent alternatives. I recommend to use a cotton ball and apply that on the top of the tissue. There are plenty of ways to create this look like Vaseline, glycerin, and you can do it without of any of those special Supix products that you might not have yet. When you're just starting out with Supix makeup, it's so important to practice as much as you can. And there's no need to wait until you have a full kit to do it. Again, add another latex to fix the cotton ball. Once the latex has dried, you will need to apply the foundation. I begin my application with some liquid foundation to give a base color. Another tips guys, use a foundation that closely resembles your skin color. Blending the foundation into your skin using a blending sponge. Once the blending is complete, I prefer to add a Crayolan aqua color. The darker color will highlight my mouth. By the way guys, it is important to remember if you have a latex allergy. And now we apply the fake blood. And applying it all over my mouth using the sponge. This is a great trick that can be used in Halloween makeup. You can make your own fake blood like red food coloring, other kitchen products like cocoa and corn syrup. For everyone who's running low on time, these looks are perfect to create a Halloween makeup. You can use your imagination and build up all kinds of fun stuff like broken skin, face scars, cotton wounds, and burn. And there you go! I hope you enjoy this Halloween makeup. And let me know in the comments if you are recreating this look for Halloween. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to thumbs up this video.